Hare Krishna, everyone.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। हरे
Please
कृष्ण।
turn on your videos, please. Hare Krishna. Nice to see you all. Thank you. Hare Bol, Dhanvir, how are you now? How are you now?
I'm good. I'm getting better. I'm getting better.
That's very nice. Okay. Okay, let's start. Um, all of you have your beads.
I'll get my pee.
Yes, bring your beads. Okay. Recite with me. Namo Vishnu Padaya.
नमो विष्णुपादाय
Along with me. Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate
कृष्णाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय भूतले
Niti Namini. Keep on going. Namaste
ते
Saraswati
सरस्वती
Devi.
देवी गौरवाणी विचारिणी
प्रचारिणे
निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यादेशधारिणी
Jai Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर वासादि गौरभक्त वृंदा।
Okay. Okay, five beats each of you. Okay, rather chant start chanting five beats. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
हरे कृष्णा
Krishna
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरे
Hare
कृष्णा
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
कृष्णा
Krishna
कृष्णा
Krishna,
हरे
Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे।
Thank you, Radha. Yes, Riya chant five times.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे।
Thank you, Riya. Partha Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे हरे
Thank you,
हरे
Dhanvir. Dhanvir.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे राम हरे हरे।
Thank you. Yes, Hirva and Rogesh, you can chant together.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Yes, Parth.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Thank you, Savi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Thank you, Savi. Krith not there? Okay, what is doing?
He went to classes.
Okay. Yes, Yashika, are you there? Okay, Abhishek Prabhu, would you like to chant?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Yashika, are you there? Or Gopika? Varam? Param, Gopika, anyone? Okay, let's go ahead.
No, Param and Gopika are not there. I'm just
Okay,
listening.
you are there. Are you free to chant?
Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so
Hare
much.
Krishna.
Thank you. Okay, so we all will chant this mantra together. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Everyone unmute your mics.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaura Bhakta.
Okay, now you tell me who doesn't chant every day? Who skips chanting? One mala even. Who doesn't chant one mala? Be brave. Doesn't chant. Okay, so you all are chanting one mala at least. Dhanvir, you are not chanting now?
I do other god mantras, but I don't do Krishna Maha Mantra.
That's sad. That's not so good. So
But I do. But how I just said that I do other god mantras.
not so good. That's not a good news. You have to chant Krishna Pranam mantra always.
Okay, I will start from tomorrow.
Krishna is everything. Krishna is everything. Everything. Okay?
Yes, every time from today.
Matta parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. Did you memorize the translation? Do you remember?
Yes.
What is that?
Yes, O conqueror of wealth, there is no true superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread.
Oh, wow, you are genius. Oh, Hari Bol. 3 times Hari Bol to Dhanvir. Everyone unmute your mics. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari bol.
Very nice. So what does it mean actually?
That
What is
means
that everything?
that means there is a thread and everybody's Krishna is on that thread and everybody stands with Krishna.
So everything is included inside Krishna.
Yes, everything
So who are all those? What are all those things which are included in Krishna?
The thread.
The thread?
Yes.
The pearls also.
Yes.
Krishna is thread.
Pearls.
Krishna
Yes.
is thread. So we are pearls, right?
Yes.
And all the other gods are pearls.
Yes.
All the other gods. Okay, even Gayatri Mata, even Shiva, Lord
Yes,
Shiva.
every god.
Okay, every god is a pearl. And who holds them?
Krishna.
Krishna only holds them, nobody else. Okay,
And
so
that thread.
He is the thread. Okay, Krishna is the thread. Okay, so if you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, then what will happen?
You get power, and
you can string all the pearls inside that thread.
Oh yes.
When you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, then when you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, and at night, then Krishna helps you, so you don't think anything in your mind and you sleep nicely.
That's a good answer, but actually he's asking about other gods. Okay, so all the other gods are included in Krishna or not, Savi? What do you answer, Savi? What is your answer? What do you say?
About
Shiva is included in Krishna?
Yes.
Yes. Lord Brahma included in Krishna? Gayatri Mata? Yes. All the Matajis? Yes. All of us? Yes. Okay. So, Dhanvir, what do you say now?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Only Hare Krishna. Okay. Only Hare Krishna. Okay. If you have any confusion, you ask your mommy to talk to me. Okay. Okay. You chant only Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. No other mantras. No needed. Not needed. Okay. Not needed. Okay. Okay. So you give time to Krishna and Krishna will stretch your time. Okay. Stretch your time. And you can spend that time for everything.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we already learned this Goloka chart. Now we are going to the first verse of the Brahma Samhita. And next week we'll have a nice Kahoot quiz. Okay, everyone has to come. And there will be in syllabus, there will be that Goloka chart that we learned. And this Ishvara Paramakrishna. Okay, first verse. Okay, I don't want any guesses, but perfect answers. Okay, so you listen very nicely. Okay, turn on your cameras. Okay, fine. All right. So you chant with me, Ishvara,
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 Parama,
Parama,
Krishna,
Krishna,
Satchidananda Vigraha,
Satchidananda Vigraha,
Anadir,
Anadir,
Adir,
Adir,
Govinda,
Govinda,
Sarva Karan Karanam.
Sarva Karana Karanam.
Okay, so there are some syllables, right? You can see here, right? So this is E long. There is in Sanskrit you call it like a high pitch E. Okay, very high E. There is E, and there's E. Okay, that big E is this. Okay, what is this? Big E. Okay, say E.
E.
Okay, good. This is Sha.
Sha,
Sha. Okay, not Sa. Sha.
Sha,
Sha,
Like SH. Sha. Okay.
Sha,
Sha. Although this is Sa only. This is pronounced as Sha. Okay.
Sha.
Okay. And
Sha.
this Ha is half Ha.
Yes.
Can you see this bindi at the bottom?
Yes, Mataji.
So that means half Ha, not Ha. If it is all Ha, no bindi here, then it will be Ha, full Ha. But it is not like that. So it is half Ha. Okay, wherever there is a bindi at the bottom, it
Parama,
comes to
Krishna.
something different. Okay. Okay. Ishvara.
Ishvara,
Okay. Then Parama.
Parama.
Okay. And then this is Ra, half Ra. Okay. Ra.
Parama.
Pra. Kra.
Kra,
Kra. Okay.
Kra.
Sha.
Ah.
Sha. Sha. And this is Na actually.
no,
This is
Na.
Na. Okay.
Na,
In Hindi we have Na. Krishna, not Krishna.
Krishna,
Krishna.
Krishna,
So in English, most of us pronounce Krishna, Hare Krishna, like that. Actually, it is Kana. If you see recite in Sanskrit, it is
Hare
Kana.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Actually, it is like that. Okay? Not even Kri, it is Kra. Krishna, Krishna, Hare. But we sometimes we also pronounce it as Krish, Krish. Because Krish is the dhatu, Krish. I will learn the meaning of Krish in this lecture only. Krishna,
Krishna,
Ishvara, Parama, Krishna,
Ishvara.
Parama, Krishna,
Satchid. This is Cha.
Satchid,
Chid,
This is Cha, okay? Not Ka. Okay, this is Cha. Satchid. The. This is the, not the. Okay, say the,
the,
not the. Okay, Chaddi. Chid. Not chid. Okay, D. This is the. Okay, Satchid. Okay,
Satchida,
the.
Sajid,
The. Okay,
Sachid,
the. Okay, very good. Most of because you learn in English there is a the, not the. Okay, so many children, they don't know how to pronounce it the.
not done.
Whoa.
And this is Ananda. Ah. What is this?
Ananda,
Ananda.
Ananda,
This is what? Ah.
ah,
This is what? Ah.
na,
Ah. Okay. Okay. So Ananda,
Ananda,
not Ananda. Can you see here any line on the top?
no, Mataji.
No. So it is only the complete.
The. Okay. Ananda.
The. This means the only, not da. Okay. Sachid Anand.
Sachid Anand.
Very good. Vigraha.
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 Okay. Sachid Ananda Vigraha.
Satchidananda Vigraha.
Okay. Just this will elongate your words. Okay. This half will elongate it. Govinda, like that it will. Not Govinda. Because it is not complete. Can you see this bindi? Govinda. Okay, sarva. Karana.
Karana.
Not na again. Not na. Okay. This is. Can you see? So see, this is a, and this is o. Okay.
Karana.
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 This is ana. Say
Ana. Karana.
ana.
Ana.
Okay, only one person is speaking. All the other are just observing. Ana.
Ana. Karana. Karana. Okay.
Karanam.
Karanam.
Okay. Ishvara.
Ishvara.
Parama.
Parama.
Krishna.
Krishna.
Again, na? Krishna.
Krishna.
Okay. Krishna.
Krishna.
Not na. Okay, ana. I want na. Okay. Krishna.
Krishna.
Sachid.
Sachid.
Ananda.
Ananda.
Vigraha.
Vigraha.
Sachid Ananda Vigraha.
Satchidananda
Vigraha.
Anadir.
Anadir.
Adir.
Adir.
Govinda.
Govinda.
Anadir Adir Govinda.
Adir Govinda.
Not Govinda, okay? Govinda.
Govinda.
There is no line on the top of A, okay? So it will not become A, it is A. Govinda.
The
Sarva. Karana.
Karana.
Karanam.
Karanam.
Sarva Karanam. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, now we'll recite all together. Ishvara Parama Krishna.
Ishvara.
Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadir Adir Govinda.
Anadir Govinda.
Sarva Karana Karanam. Okay, not Govinda, okay? Many people are reciting Govinda. It is not Govinda. It is Govinda. Okay, Govinda. Okay, good. So we'll learn about the meaning. So what is the meaning of Ishvara? Recite after me. Ishvara.
Ishvara.
The controller.
The controller.
Parama.
Parama.
Supreme.
Supreme.
Krishna. Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Sat.
Sat.
Comprising eternal existence.
Comprising eternal existence.
Chit.
Chit.
Absolute knowledge.
Absolute knowledge.
Absolute knowledge.
Anand.
Good. Ananda.
Ananda.
Anand.
And absolute bliss.
And absolute bliss.
Vigraha.
Vigraha.
Whose form?
Whose form?
Anadi.
Anadi.
Without beginning.
Without beginning.
Adi.
Adi.
The origin.
The origin.
Govinda.
Govinda.
Lord Govinda.
Lord
No plum is name.
Sarvakara.
Plum is up.
Sarvakarana
Sarvakarana Karanam.
The cause of all causes.
Cause.
Cause of
Hmm. So, Ishvara means controller, okay? Last time we learned
Hello.
different meanings.
Hello.
So
Hello.
today also I will
Hello.
share.
What?
Okay, who is there? Okay, so today also I will share the
I
screen.
cannot do anything.
Okay. I hope that the class is recorded. Yes, recording is on. Okay, good. Last time I forgot to record the class. Okay, so we'll learn about Ishvara. Okay, Ishvara means controller. Okay, which kind of controller? Like me, like you? No, supreme controller. Okay, okay. So we all are little controllers. Okay, we control sometimes our parents, right? Sometimes ourselves, right? Sometimes our toys we control, right? Our our stationaries we control, right? From other people, right? So they don't steal in the school, right? So, but Krishna is supreme controller. Okay, he's supreme controller. What does it mean? Supreme controller means he controls everyone.
Every
Everyone.
single bit of a person.
Everyone is controlled by controller of everyone. Of everyone. Okay, everyone. Cats, dogs, animals, insects, humans, right? Demigods. Then we will ask all the people. Yes, everyone. He
Yes.
controls even Lord Shiva, Lord Parvati, Goddess Parvati. Okay, everyone. Everyone
Yes.
is under the control of
Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna is Ishvara. Okay, so we all are little Ishwaras, but Krishna is the supreme Ishvara. Okay, who can tell me 6 opulences of Krishna? I know last time Radhav told me. Yeah, Riya told me all the opulences, very good, nice. 6 opulences of Krishna. Yes, 4 hands, good. So yes, Radhav.
Mataji, I think name, fame, wealth, renunciation.
Name, not name, but fame, all fame, yes.
Renunciation,
All renunciation,
strength is
yes. Now somebody else will tell. Yes, Parth.
Oh, beauty.
Okay, beauty.
he wants me.
What else? Yes, Hiba.
beauty, wealth, strength, fame, knowledge, and renunciation.
Knowledge. And wealth. Okay. So Lord Krishna has all these things. How many percentage?
100%.
100%. Okay. He scores 100% in everything. Okay. If you take any of the gods, they might have strength, but not beauty. Right? They might have knowledge, lot of knowledge, but that is also coming from Krishna only. Right? So Only Krishna is 100% of all these things. Not even a person in this world or in any world, they have such 6 kinds of opulences. Okay. So who said this? Does anyone remember who said this? That this is the meaning of what? Bhagavan. Right? So Bhagavan means what? And Van means what? Who can tell me? Yes, Tanvir?
God.
No, Bhaga. Bhagavan means God, yes. But what is the meaning of Bhaga?
Van means God.
No, Bhagavan means God, yes. But
Okay.
but let us see how this word has come into picture, like Bhagavan. Yes,
Oh.
yes, Riya, Bhagavan.
Yes, yes.
Bhaga.
Bhaga means opulences.
Very good. Opulences. And Van means
One
who possesses, right?
who
Possess.
possesses the 6 opulences.
Possessor. Okay. So who is the possessor of all 6 opulences is called Bhagavan. Okay. So now this definition was given by whom? Parashar Muni. He is the father of whom? Parashar Muni is the father of someone. Who knows? Very easy answer. Yes, Riya?
Vyasdeva.
Yes. So he's the father of Vasdev. So he said Bhagavan means these 6 things he should be having. Okay. Aishwaryasya, Samagrasya, Viryasya, Rasasya, Shriyasya. He says like this. So that is all 6 opulences. It is that shloka contains this. This is the English translation of that shloka, which I recited recently. Okay, so then he said that 100% only Krishna has. Okay, now let's see what other people have then. If Krishna is 100%, then Lord Vishnu has how many qualities of Krishna? I told before also.
Do you think all of them?
So Krishna is 100%. Then Lord Vishnu contains how many percentage of opulence? 100. But he doesn't have 4 things.
90%.
Okay, this is a bit deeper. Okay, for more interested children, I am telling this. So for little children, it might be a bit heavy. Okay, so one is Venu Madhuri, Roop Madhuri, Guna Madhuri, and Leela Madhuri. Okay, so these 4 things only Krishna has. Venu Madhuri means he is amazing at playing flute. Venu means flute. Okay, Rupa Madhuri. He is amazingly beautiful personality. So beautiful. So when Krishna was in Dwarka, there were the floors were all made up of nice stones, very reflective stones. So he saw his own reflection in that floor, okay, in Dwarka, and he was so much mesmerized. He said, "Oh, do I look so beautiful?" So he was captivated by his own beauty. Is that beautiful? Okay, that's Krishna. So Rupa Madhuri, and then Guna Madhuri. He has so beautiful qualities that Lord Ananta, who is Lord Balram himself, he is counting since millions of years, and he is still counting. Right? Lord Brahma says that someone can count the particles of sand particles on the beach, okay, or in the whole universe. But it is impossible to count Krishna's good qualities. It's endless. Okay. So then Leela Madhuri. We all know Krishna Leela is whole 10th canto, right, of Srimad Bhagavatam, is containing Krishna Leela, his childhood Leela, his youth Leela. So this, because of these four things, Krishna is still higher than Vishnu. Okay. So so Vishnu doesn't contain all the qualities of Krishna. These four qualities are only exclusively in Krishna, not in anyone else. Okay, not in anyone else. So Vishnu has 94% of Krishna's qualities. Okay. Nice to see you, Rashika. Yashika. Good. Thank you. Okay. So Vishnu has 94 qualities of Krishna. Okay. Then what about Lord Shiva? So Lord Shiva is 85% of Lord Krishna's qualities. Okay. And Lord Brahma, has 78% of Krishna's qualities. Okay. Okay. So this is deeper. It's still deeper. Okay. So that is why we can say that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead with all the beautiful form, qualities, and the his opulences, right? And he knows everyone. Okay, he resides in as a Paramatma. In Goloka's chart, we saw Shirodaksha Vishnu. Okay, Paramatma in each one of our hearts. Okay, each hearts, all the hearts is Paramatma. Okay, so he knows everyone, right? He knows Dhanvir, he knows Savi, he knows Richa, Krit, Yashik, everyone. Yeah. So we all know our own selves. Sometimes we don't know ourselves also, right? But Krishna knows everyone. He knows everyone as Paramatma. Okay. This is called his omnipotency. What is this is called?
Omnipotency.
Omnipotency. So he's omnipotent. Okay, he's omnipotent. He's present everywhere. Everywhere he's present. Okay, present everywhere. Okay, so if we try to describe, the whole day will be less for Krishna. Okay, this is all about Krishna. Okay, so that's why we say Ishvara, supreme personality of Godhead is Krishna, no one else. Okay. So, Ishvara. Okay, now let us see what is Parama. Okay, Parama. So, Para means, who can say? Who can tell me? We studied last time also. So, we studied last time.
Mataji, I think Bhagavan.
Para. One is Para Prakriti, one is Apara Prakriti. What is that? Para. Let's take it Para. Okay. Yes, Riya?
Above.
Yes, above. So para means transcendental. Okay. It crosses all the limit. Param. Param Brahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram Paramam Bhavan, Arjuna says to Krishna in 10th chapter. Para means transcendental. Okay. Above everything. In common language, we can say above everything. Okay. So he doesn't come under the control of three modes of material nature. Sometimes we are in mode of goodness, sometimes we are in passion, sometimes we are in ignorance, right? But
Yes.
Krishna is above all the three modes of material nature. Okay, so this material world can touch Krishna. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Huh? Material world can influence Krishna. Am I right or wrong?
No, Mataji.
Cannot influence Krishna. Okay, cannot influence
Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. So material world and the effects of material world, they cannot do anything to Krishna. Okay. Krishna is above every single thing. Okay. So that is why it is called para. And what is ma? Last time I said. So simple meaning. Ma means ma. I want someone else. Yes, Radha, you remember? Ma? You said last time.
Mataji is mother.
Mother, right? So ma means mama, mama, mummy, right? So what to do with mother and this transcendental? Is he our mother? No, like he's our mother, yeah. But that is that the meaning is different, okay? So ma means his potency, okay? Mother means the potency, energy, right? Shakti, right? So potency, internal potency. Okay. Who is that internal potency of Krishna?
Radharani Mataji.
Radha Mataji.
Radha.
Radharani. Okay.
Radharani.
Radharani. Yes. So, and many potencies. Okay. All the potencies. External potencies also in Krishna. Shakti Mataji. Durga. Mother Durga. Antaranga, Bahiranga, Tatastha Shakti. We are all living entities. Tatastha means the marginal potency. Who are those living entities, right? So he includes all these energies. Potency means energy, okay? All these energies are in Krishna. Okay, so he's Parama. Okay, and Krishna means, let us see now Krishna. Krishna. So this Krish means, what is the meaning of Krish? You can tell me?
Krishna.
Okay, what is the meaning of Krishna? Most of you know, I think. Most of you should know. Yes, Yashika, you remember what is the meaning of Krishna?
All attractive.
All attractive. Yes, very good, very good. All attractive. So Krish means all attractive. And Na means Ananda, pleasure, supreme bliss, supremely blissful. Okay, so he is Krishna, supremely blissful, all attractive, supremely blissful. This is the meaning of Krishna. Okay, so sometimes we see our lordships at our home sometimes, and we think that, oh, Krishna is sad today, Krishna is happy today. So is it possible? Krishna is always happy. He doesn't come into the modes of material nature, or he cannot be afflicted by material worlds, our thoughts. He's above everything, right? But what is Archa Vigraha, do you know? At our home. So he comes as Archa Vigraha to the material world. And it is his material form. Okay. So that is why we can see sometimes he is sad, sometimes he is happy. Okay. So Archa Vigraha, although he is not affected by any of these material causes or of effects, but still he is there to reciprocate with us. Okay. Just to lena dena, right? To give and take some feelings with us. He comes into this world in the form of Archa Vigraha. So the Archa Vigraha form is a material form of Krishna. And so he sometimes you can see angry, sometimes you can see happy, sometimes you can see sad, right? So in although he is not affected by it, but to just to reciprocate to our love and feelings, he's here in Arch Vigra form. Okay, so that's why you can see sometimes he drinks, sometimes if you feed some milk to him, he sometimes drinks, and sometimes people have seen that in Mayapur, the Panch Tattva deity had tears in their eyes. So this is possible. Okay. So the Arch Vigra form, the Murti form, the deity form, which we see in this material world, so that is material form of Krishna. Okay, so just to reciprocate with us, he comes in that form. Okay, so you shouldn't think that no, he cannot do that. So he's always blissful. Yes, he's always blissful, but in the Murti form, to convey our feelings and to reciprocate with us, he may do anything. Okay, so that is Krishna. And then Sat Chit Ananda. What is it? Sat, Chit, and Ananda. Okay. So Sat, so there they have written the, but when we separate it, it becomes the. Okay. Sat, Chit, and Ananda.
Sachidanand. Sachidanand.
So Sat means what? Hindi people, Hindi or Gujarati people, you know Sat, Satya. Yes, some new people. Parth, do you know Sat? Sat. What is Sat? Yes, Radha.
Mataji, I think it's deep.
Sat means Satya. What is Satya?
Mataji, I'm Gujarati.
Truth. True or true, right? Satya means true in Hindi. Parth, is it right? Am I right, Parth? Okay, good. Speak out. Okay, fine, good. I saw your face. Okay, good. So Satya means true. Okay. So so always true. But Krishna is not just now. For now, he's true. Tomorrow he'll be wrong. Right? He's always right. He's Mr. Right. Okay. So always eternally true. Okay. So all truth means what you can say eternal. Always like he's always existing. Okay. Eternal existence. So this is bit higher level topic. So little kids might not that much be so much interested into this. So it's not that easy. So eternal existence means he's always there. Okay, always there. Okay. Asat means untruth, and Sat means truth, right? And Krishna is always true, always, always ever existing truth. Okay, so eternal existence. He is eternally existing. We might be here today, and we might just leave this world tomorrow, right? But Krishna will be always here. Chit means Chit. Chit means Par?
It means all knowledge.
Knowledge, yes. Very good. Knowledge. Chit means knowledge, okay? So he is All cognizant. All cognizant. Okay. All knowledgeable. Simple language. Okay. All knowledge. And Ananda means everyone knows. Anand. What is the meaning of Anand? New person.
Yes.
Savi, what is the meaning of Anand? Savi, are you hearing? Or you getting bored? Savi, can you hear me, Savi? Am I audible? Hmm. Okay, Richa, what is the meaning of Anand?
Like the place.
Bliss, very good. So yeah, last week you were here and you listened properly. That is very nice. Okay, so bliss. Okay, so one is happiness. What is happiness then?
Sit.
Huh? What is happiness? Huh, Dhanvir?
Happiness means that having a great day.
Having a great day is happiness. Yes, having a great day. Okay, great
Yes.
day. Great day. And what is bliss then?
Bliss. Bliss means, do you know the buzzing sound from the bee? I think it's that.
Hari bol. Very good, very good. Okay. But then that is related to happiness?
No.
No. So higher form of happiness is bliss, okay?
Bliss. Yes.
Ah. So when you go to temple, is it the same happiness you go to the party, birthday party? Or it is
No. Temple is more. I feel great more in temple because I can see God
ah,
more.
feeling great, isn't it? So that is bliss, okay? That
Bliss.
is
Oh,
unexplainable. You can't explain that, right?
yes. I.
Something in your heart, you feel very nice there, right?
Yes.
That you don't feel in the birthday parties, right? So birthday
Yes.
parties are happiness.
Yes.
Birthdays are happiness.
But not bliss.
And bliss is Krishna. Okay.
Krishna that you can't even explain.
That is why Krishna in Krishna we saw na is bliss, right? So only Krishna can give you bliss. Go
This.
to temple, you feel bliss. Okay.
Bliss or
So this
this?
is the meaning of Sat Chit Ananda. Okay.
Yes, and I got a question. Is it this or bliss?
Bliss, ba,
Oh,
bliss. Okay.
yes.
Satchid Ananda. And now we'll see Vigraha. Okay, we have still long way to go. Okay, Vigraha. What is the meaning of Vigraha? Yes, Ria?
Form.
Form. Yes. Form. So the deity we have at home, can we call him Vigraha?
No.
Yes, we can. Okay, home deity or temple deity. Okay, yeah, they are called Vigraha, Murti, right? Murti is called Vigraha in Sanskrit. Okay, so temple deity, Murti is called Vigraha. So he has form. He's not formless. Very good, Ria. So that is the form. Krishna has a form. So some people say that no, there is a light, Brahma Jyoti is Krishna. Okay. Is it true or false? Krishna is just a light.
False.
It is false. Okay. It is completely outdated thought. Okay. So, Sachidanand Vigraha. Also, this is said by whom? Who said Brahma Samhita? Who recited Brahma Samhita first? Who is the author of Brahma Samhita? Come on. We are learning Brahma Samhita. Nobody is there to answer. No, I want someone else.
Vasudev.
Huh?
Vasudev.
Vasudev? No. Why Vasudev?
Brahmadev.
Brahma Samhita. Brahma. Lord Brahma.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So Lord Brahma said that Krishna has a form. And now humans are saying Krishna doesn't have form. So is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Okay.
Wrong.
Lord Brahma says that is true, right? Not we say is true. Okay, so Brahma says Sachidananda Vigraha, Ishvara, Parama, Krishna. Lord Brahma is saying Ishvara is the supreme personality of Godhead. He has eternity. He is eternally existent. He is all cognizant, and he's blissful, and he has a form. Okay, this is said by Lord Brahma. So we have to believe. Okay, so Sachidananda Vigraha, फिर and then Anadir. What is Anadi? Adi. What is Adi in Hindi? Adi means old, or right? Adi means very old, ancient. Okay, and Anadi means who has no origin. Okay, so we all have some past, right? Like we were born from our mother, right? Before that we were in some different species, or same human, but in different form, right? So we all have some past, but Krishna has no past.
No past.
No past.
Mataji, Krishna doesn't have no past, and no future.
No future. No future also. Like he is future. He has no past actually, right? Krishna is only eternal. So Krishna is eternal. So no, we can say no end, no future, not no future, no end. Okay, that is point. No end, not no future. Right? Am I right? Yeah. So you said it correct. You said it a good thing, but yeah, that is no end. Okay, not no future. Right? So he is not going to die. That means okay, he's eternal. Eternal. What is the meaning of eternal? No. Uh, no beginning and no end. Okay, good point, rather. So no beginning, no end. Okay, so that no beginning is written here. Okay, Anadi. So no beginning or no origin. Okay, Anadi. Then Adi. I already said old. Okay, right? So Adi is old. He is the oldest. Even before Brahma, he was there. Okay. But can you see a white beard and gray hair in Krishna?
No.
Ever youthful. He doesn't cross 16 years of age. Okay. So at the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he was 125 years old. Oh, sorry, 125 he appeared. But at the Kurukshetra war, he was 90 years old. But he looked younger than Arjuna. Right? So he never
Was that Krishna, 90 years old?
Yeah. Krishna was on this earth for 125 years. Okay, and at 125 years he disappeared. It is called disappeared, not died. Okay, so he disappeared in Dwarka at 125 years. Okay, after 100.
So he went to heaven and he's living in heaven.
In the Goloka. Okay, not in heaven. Okay, that is above heaven, far above heaven. Okay, in heaven, Indra and Chandra, those people, they reside in heaven. Krishna lives in Goloka. Okay, so that is his residence. Okay, so Adi means oldest, but he's the oldest of all. Okay, so but he is ever youthful. That is his quality. Okay, although he's oldest, he is ever youth. Yes, Richa?
So does Krishna never age?
He never aged. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, he never aged. So when he was in Dwarka at 125 years of age, if you have seen his picture, he was sitting underneath the
Cross.
Bili patra leaf, okay, and or some tree, okay, and then or a what or wood or the banyan tree, okay, banyan tree maybe. So and he was sitting there, and a hunter came and he shooted an arrow in his feet, thinking that he's a deer. And that's how Krishna said, okay, fine, now it's time for me to leave this material world. Okay. So if someone shoots arrow at somebody's feet or hand, is a person going to die?
No.
No, that is not the way one can kill anyone. But it was with his supreme will, with his sweet will, he said, okay, fine, now I have done all my work, so now it's my time to leave. So he left this world. And he went back to Goloka. Okay, he came here for killing someone and giving darshan to his devotees, and then after his work was finished, he left. Okay, so he was Adi. That is called Adi. He's the oldest, but that time also he looked very very young. Okay, he never crossed 16 years of age, but he was 125 years old that time. But he was very youthful. He was same as youthful as 16-year-old would look like. Adi, Govinda. Mm. Govinda. So what is the meaning of Govinda? Go means? Yes, Radhav, you remember Govinda?
Oh, go. I thought go.
Ha, Riya, yes.
Cow.
Cow, okay. Go means cow. Go, right? Go. Go Mata. Vinda means? Is there Vrinda here? No, Vrinda is not here.
627.
Vrinda and Vinda doesn't is not that different. So I need to leave. Okay, Parth. Yes, thank you, Parth. So Vinda means pleasure. Okay, who can give pleasure? Gives pleasure. Gives pleasure. Okay. Vrinda also means similar. Okay. Vrinda means Tulsi, but what is the actual meaning of Vrinda? Means happiness. Okay. Tulsi gives us happiness. So Vinda means also gives pleasure. So gives pleasure to cows. Okay. Who gives pleasure to cows. That is the meaning of Govinda. Okay. And there is another meaning of go also. What is that? Who can tell me? Yashika, do you know? Another meaning of go? I thought you might be knowing. Yes, Rohin, you know? Are you awake or sleeping? Turn on your camera.
I'm here.
Yes, what is the meaning of go?
Senses. Cow.
So senses. So go means senses, okay? Gives pleasure to the senses. Okay? Or the master of the senses. Or master of the cows. So there are two meanings. Gives pleasure to the cows, pleasure to the senses, or master of the cows and master of the senses. Okay, anything is right. So when we want to serve Krishna, Krishna controls our all the senses. Okay, so all the senses are controlled when we serve Krishna. So we become all very like our work and dealings are all controlled by Krishna when we serve Krishna. Right? You know, Sthita Pragna, equipoised, right? We become equipoised when we serve Krishna. Equipoised. We become equipoised when we serve Krishna because stable, right? Stable minded. You in the stable minded. We become stable minded when we serve Krishna. Okay. So so nice, so beautiful meanings, isn't it? So Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam. What is the meaning of Sarva? Okay, thank you, Yashika. Bye. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Everything.
What is the meaning of Sarva?
Everything.
Everything. Okay. Karana,
Reason.
reason, and Karanam. So Krishna is the reason for everything. Okay. So nothing can be done without Krishna's permission. Okay. Supreme permitter.
Is that true?
Yes.
Oh, that's surprising.
He is supreme permitter. Okay. He gives permission to you. He gives permission to me. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
But he just tells us, he just makes us think that if you want to break someone's toy, he might he just you might just think that no, it's a bad thing, I should not do that, I should just leave the toy. You might just think that, but the person who's giving you the thing in your head is Krishna.
Hari bol. That's so amazing. So amazing. So amazing. So it is Paramatma who says that, sorry, Dhanvir, you can't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Right? And then Dhanvir says, no, but I want to do that. Okay? I
Yes.
will do that. Who are you to tell me no? Then you will quarrel with Krishna and then you will say, no, I'm going to do that. Okay? Then Krishna will say, okay, fine. If you want to do it, you do it and suffer the consequences, isn't it? And then you do it. And then you think, oh, better I would not have done that. It's a wrong
Yes.
idea. Krishna told me, but I didn't hear, right? So he's our
Yes.
second parents, actually first parent, okay, not second parent. Right? Our parents knows later what we are thinking in our mind, but Krishna knows before us even, right?
Yes.
Before our parents, and
Parents,
he tells us.
parents know when we tell them.
Yes, but Krishna, he knows.
He knows when we are thinking.
He
Because
knows. So
he's in
nice,
our heart.
Tanvir.
He's in our heart.
My class is successful today because of you. Very good. So nice. So great point. Thank you, Dhanvir. Okay. So he is the supreme permitter. Okay. Because he controls, he is Sarva Karana Karanam, cause of all causes. That's why we can call him. He is the cause of all causes. Then when we do something, when we break someone's toy, then we can blame Krishna. Okay, fine. Krishna permitted and I broke that. Toy, right? So without his permission we can't do anything. So but sometimes he has to permit us because we have got that some independence. Okay, Krishna has given all of us little bit of independence, little independence. Okay, so because of that independence we are doing what we are doing now. Like what we want to do. Sometimes wrong things also we do because of our independence, and because of that independence we are here in this material world. Otherwise we were happy with Krishna in Goloka, right? But we all thought someday, why should I serve Krishna? By the way, I can enjoy myself, right? So then we came to this world, and so Krishna said, okay, fine. By the way, he asked us, why you want to go to this world? This is not good idea. But we said, no, we can't live with you. We want to enjoy ourselves. We are bored to serve you. So sometimes our parents ask us to go and sleep the deities, right? Go and dress the deities. And
Yes.
sometimes we feel very bored. Okay, what is this? I'm not going to do. Go and serve some plate to Krishna, cooks for Krishna, and we don't want to do anything. Sometimes we are so sad, and then parents have to do. So,
Yes.
so in the same way, when we were with Krishna in Goloka, we thought, okay, why should I always serve Krishna? Let me also enjoy. And Krishna said, okay, fine, you go. Okay, so that is his permission. Because of his permission, we came here. So he's the cause of all causes.
Yes.
Sarva, all cause, and he's the karanam. Okay, for all anything that happens, a blade of grass in this world cannot move without the permission of Krishna. Okay, the wind cannot blow without permission of Krishna. Okay?
Yes.
He can stop the blowing of the the wind. Okay, then
Yes.
if you know the Govardhan Lila, in which Indra sent the torrents of rain, right? And then Krishna holded the Govardhan mountain and he saved everyone. And then this Indra, he was so much, he became so hopeless, and he came with his Surbi cow to take darshan of Krishna, and he apologized Krishna. Oh Krishna, I shouldn't have done that. I did a wrong decision. Okay, so so that is so because he's sarva karana karanam. Okay, he nothing can happen without his permission.
Yes.
Krishna went against this Indra went against him, so he had to suffer the consequences. Okay, sarva karana karanam. Okay, that completes our first verse. Okay, and you
Yes.
all have to memorize. Any questions? Sorry for long class. Yes. Any questions?
I had a question, but
Yes.
it's not relating to this. Now, when we are born, right?
Yeah.
Our future and all the things we're doing is already decided. Like it's already pre-decided, right? So then the karma we do, so how can it be our fault? Like it's already decided that we're gonna do this.
Yes.
How is it our fault?
Very
that
good question. So somebody asked the Radhanath Swami also the same question, that if everything is predestined, why should we like do what we are doing, and like how the karma is still we have to suffer our karmas, and we have to like right how we act, and we have to go as per that. So he said that your destiny is decided like as per your past karma. What you will do now is decided. Okay, like because of my past karma, where some we all had some good karmas, that's why we are in bhakti, right? But now after coming to bhakti, it is not decided now what we'll do next, like some like it is decided like that I might go to temple and worship or make garlands. But while making garlands, if I do like, if I talk to someone, if I talk wrongly with someone, in between, the in between line, the spaces, right? Our karmas are decided that this is how I'll progress. But the gaps, right? So the gross things are decided that I'm going to get this birth, I'm going to progress in my bhakti about here, I'll have such kind of family, such kind of opulence, like riches, family, my devotion, everything is predestined. But the gaps, like how I will act on it, how I'll act on it, right? That is our mind. Our mind decides. Okay.
Yes.
So if we follow our mind only, if we are not following Krishna, right? Then how we'll do our bhakti? How we'll earn our money, right? So that depends on our mind. So that makes the karmas. Is what he said that time. and this little independence that I said previously, that although everything is predestined, but we all have some independence. Krishna has given us some independence. So that little independence, it is called free will. Because of our free will, we do sometimes, we might follow our mind, sometimes we follow our intelligence, sometimes we follow Krishna. So these all factors and our experiences right in this world. Today I had some bad experience, so tomorrow I will not do the same thing. I had a good experience, I'll do some other, like in the similar way tomorrow, but it will not act. Right? So in this material world, there are three modes of material nature that are always acting on us. So many things are predestined, but because of these three modes of material nature, our mind and our association, right? Because of all these factors, how we act to what is predestined varies, it changes, and that makes the karma. So the gaps in the middle, they are just that is not decided by God.
Thank you.
So our next life, although it is decided, but if our karmas are not as per that in line with what is decided, then even they change. They can change. That's why it is said that devotees shouldn't go to the astrologer, right? Because astrologer will say that what is destiny, but devotees can change the destiny even, right? So we can change the destiny by our good karmas. And then the same way we can change our destiny by our bad karmas also. Because as a devotee now we are becoming more responsible, right? When someone knows, that person should be more responsible. If now we do some mistake, then we are more punished even, right? So this, I'm not threatening anyone, but Krishna says dando damaya tamas. So I am that punishment giver also. I am that person. So yeah. So as a Vaishnavas, we, like, if we think ourselves as Vaishnavas, first of all, then we should understand that whatever work we are doing should be in line with Krishna's supreme will. If we are working as per our own desires and like our distractions, and then we might fall down. So लीला पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु says, हमेशा बोलते हैं कि in bhakti we can progress or we can go down. There is no steadiness in bhakti. So there is never like that. So this is basically the long answer, but yeah. So this is how we can change our destiny. Anyone can change destiny, and yeah, astrology doesn't work on us. And for the normal people also, sometimes the astrology, it says something but happens something else. So, the gaps that we act on it, the situation that we act as per our desires, as per our mind, three modes of material nature. Many things are acting in this material. That affects us. Thank you so much, Shirva. Okay. Any questions? Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.